Hey, welcome back to the Happy Years. Let's see how we can crochet this beautiful pair of Rudraksha Rakhi set. As you can see the detailing of Rudraksha and the flower outside. And this we have crocheted specially for Bhai, and the other one is here for Bhabhi. And you can call it as a Lumba Rakhi. So here's a list of material you can see. Just pause and check. Let's begin. So start with taking a magic ring. Insert your hook to pull a loop here and then make a slip knot like this. Now work 7 single crochet into the ring. 1 and other one again to the ring here. So likewise keep following the same pattern to work total 7 single crochet into the ring. So here we are done working with total 7 single crochet. Just pull the yarn tight to close the ring here. Now slip stitch to very first single crochet here. And here we are done with round 1. Now chain 1 to start our next round. Then work increase single crochet to the next stitch. And in order to take increase single crochet, you have to work 2 single crochet into same stitch here. So we'll go to the next and work increase single crochet again. Here. So now following this same pattern, we have to complete the round. So here we are done with the round 2 as well. Now slip stitch to the very first single crochet here. Now chain 1 to start our next round. Now work single crochet to the next stitch here. And in this round you'll keep working single crochet per stitch. So total 14 single crochet you have to work through. And also for the next 2 rounds you follow the same pattern. So here complete total 3 rounds working single crochet only. So till here we are done with our round 5. As you can see, it has started the taking shape of ball. So now to work next round, work chain 1 first. Then work decrease single crochet to the next 2 stitches. To perform a decrease single crochet, take 2 stitches together on the hook and then crochet them together in order to make it 1. Here like this. So now follow it same for the others. Take 2 stitches together on the hook, then crochet them together and make a 1 here. So now just follow and complete the round. So here we are at the end of round 6, and before working the slip stitch we have to stuff this ball. And here I am using a cotton fiber, and you can stuff it with any available fiber. So once you are done stuffing the ball, just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn off, and try to cut it a little longer, so you have to stitch with the left yarn only. Now pass the yarn through all the stitches as shown. You can do it with the help of needle as well. Here I am working my crochet hook only. And here when you're at the end, you have to pull the yarn tight and close it like this. So this is how it will be done here. And you can see it totally looks like a Rudraksh bead. You can try it with some other color as well, like dark brown, a chocolate brown, so you can give it a realistic look for a Rudraksh. Now secure the left yarn and cut the all left yarn here. Now you have to crochet one more bead in order to make a lumbar rakhi as well. And here I have tried this in some dark color as well. So let's work around the Rudraksh now. Now take another yarn. Here I am using macrame with 1 mm thickness. And for the Rudraksh we have taken cotton, pure cotton. So after inserting our hook from the center, just pull the yarn through other end here. Like this. Now just take a slip knot here. Now take 7 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take this chain according to the size of Rudraksh as well here. Then slip stitch to the other end of yarn here. Then again work 7 chain. Now slip stitch to the chain from where we have started here. So this is, we have created a base for flower. Now chain 2 and single crochet here. To work single crochet you can take the complete chain like this, then again chain 2 and work single crochet here. So now just keep following the same pattern and work all around the Rudraksh. And we'll work total 14 times this process, as 7 for the one side and 7 to the other side according to the chains we have taken earlier. So here we are all done. So this is how it will look. Now just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here, then chain 1 and cut the yarn, and try to cut it a little longer in case of keeping the dory for the Rakhi. Also I'll show you how to add the dory later on. So crochet one more following the same as for the lumbar Rakhi, and this is how it will look on the hand as well. So till here we are done making our Rudraksh main Rakhi. Now we'll work for the lumbar Rakhi. Start with taking a magic ring, insert hook to pull a loop and make a slip knot, then chain 2 and double crochet into the ring, then again chain 2 and slip stitch to the same here. So this is how one petal is done, and we'll repeat 4 more times to work other petal. Chain 2, first pull the yarn tight to close the ring so it will be easier to make further. So chain 2, double crochet to the ring, again chain 2 and slip stitch, and here we are done with second petal as well. So now just follow the same and work total 5 petals, and here is done. So now just slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now pull the yarn tight here. So this is how it will be done. Now you can crochet 2 more flowers. Before that, cut this extra yarn off here. Also crochet 2 more flowers following same pattern, and next we'll just attach this to the Rakhi here, which we have crocheted earlier here. So let's add the dory first. Take the yarn, double the length here. Now just attach using a crochet hook as shown. Now here we go. And repeat for other side as well. And here is done. So this we have prepared for Bhai. Next we'll do this as a Lumba Rakhi for the Bhabhi. So just attach these flowers like this in sequence to the other one here, as you can see. So let me show you how to attach these. You can do it in your way as well using needle. I'm using hook and just making a knot, taking a stitch here. Then take the other knot, pull the yarn, and it's tight enough. Cut. Now secure the left yarn and attach other two flowers as well. And here is done. Now just add the dory as we did earlier in case of Bhai. And it's done. Also you can decorate the Rakhi using of pearls to the dory as well. So here I am using golden beads, here little pearls. But instead of doing it on the dory, I am just sticking it to the flower here like this, and you can use a glue to stick on. Here we go. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoy making it. If you like the tutorial, then do like, share and subscribe to support our channel, though that means a lot to us. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all our latest updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching and happy Raksha Bandhan to you all.